All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're looking at something that is going to completely revitalize your morning routine. We are unpacking the secrets of a truly refreshing, health-boosting beverage known as the Zesty Arugula and Cucumber Green Tonic. If you've been desperately searching for that perfect, revitalizing lift, the kind that doesn't rely on caffeine or artificial sweeteners, well, you're in exactly the right place. It's an absolute game changer for daily wellness and energy, so let's unpack exactly how this works.
Crisp, ultra-hydrating, low-calorie, and nutrient-dense. We all face that exact same daily challenge, don't we? That struggle to actually get enough raw vitamins and maintain optimal hydration throughout a crazy busy day without just reaching for something heavy or packed with sugar. Well, this green juice directly solves that problem. Imagine starting your day with a beverage that actively replenishes your body's water reserves while simultaneously delivering this massive payload of easily digestible nutrients. It's not just a drink, it's practically a highly efficient delivery system for your daily dose of vitamins, specifically designed to make you feel instantly refreshed and deeply nourished from the inside out.
Section 1. Meet the Green Tonic.
Now, let's be real. A health drink is only as good as its flavor profile. If it doesn't taste amazing, there's no way you're going to stick with it. It's all about the masterful balance of these very specific, highly deliberate flavor interactions. You've got the peppery, almost spicy bite of the arugula acting as the base. Then you introduce the incredibly cooling, mild nature of the cucumber and the crisp, refreshing snap of the celery. But here is the real magic. That earthiness from the greens can sometimes be a bit heavy on its own, right? Well, that's exactly where the bright, acidic lemon steps in. It acts like a culinary knife, perfectly cutting through those heavy, earthy tones, providing a brilliant, citrusy kick that brings the entire flavor profile into total harmony. It is literal balance in a glass.
Section 2. The ingredient roster.
The best part is, you don't need some complicated grocery haul to pull this off. For a single serving, you literally just need a stalk of celery, a large cucumber, a handful or two of arugula, and a lemon. But wait, here is an absolutely vital detail for the prep. Leave the skin on that cucumber. Seriously, don't peel it. That is absolutely essential for maximizing your nutrient and fiber intake. Those dark greens and intact skins are exactly where the highest concentration of the good stuff lives. Just 4 simple whole ingredients working perfectly together.
Section 3. 2 ways to make it. So, having the right ingredients is great, but you gotta know how to effectively extract all that incredible liquid gold. You actually have 2 completely parallel paths to the exact same delicious, nutrient-dense outcome here. Option 1 utilizes a dedicated juicer, while Option 2 leverages a standard high-speed blender. Both methods are intentionally laid out so that absolutely nothing stands between you and your daily greens. Let's break down exactly how each of these distinct paths works, step by step, so you know exactly what to do.
Let's start with Option 1, the juicer method. This is your fast track. Step 1, of course, wash all your produce thoroughly, and remember, we're keeping the skin on that cucumber. Step 2, you simply feed the celery stalks, cucumber, and those handfuls of arugula right through your juicer chute. The machine does all the heavy lifting for you, instantly separating the solid fiber from that ultra-hydrating liquid. Step 3, you take that vibrant green liquid and stir in your freshly squeezed lemon juice to taste. Finally, pour it straight over ice and serve it immediately. It's unbelievably fast, highly efficient, and locks in those raw daily vitamins in a matter of seconds.
But hey, what if you don't own a fancy juicer? Enter Option 2. And this brilliantly illustrates that with just a little ingenuity, a high-speed blender works just as perfectly. You start by roughly chopping your whole celery stalk and cucumber. Throw those, along with the whole arugula, right into your blender. Here is a pro tip for Step 2. Add about a 1/4 cup of water just to help those blender blades get moving. Then blend it on high until it's fully pureed into a thick consistency. Next, you simply pour that mixture over a large glass bowl covered with a nut milk bag or cheesecloth. You're going to get your hands in there and manually squeeze out all of that glorious liquid until you're left with just the dry pulp. Stir in your lemon juice, serve over ice, and you're done. You get the exact same crisp, ultra-hydrating juice without needing any specialized equipment.
Which brings us to a really crucial question. How will you get your daily dose of vitamins today? We've seen how simple, accessible, and incredibly flavorful this Zesty Arugula and Cucumber Green Tonic truly is. It's way more than just a recipe. It's a completely manageable daily habit that empowers you to instantly upgrade your hydration and your overall health. Whether you choose the rapid speed of the juicer or the satisfying hands-on squeeze of the blender method, the power to fuel your body with these crisp, earthy, and bright citrus nutrients is literally right there in your kitchen.
So I highly encourage you to go grab those 4 ingredients, step into your kitchen, and experience this brilliant green tonic for yourself.